From Adobe to Microsoft and even Apple, thousands of multi-million-dollar companies, individuals, and corporations are seeking for professionals to get some quick and even full-time jobs done. And one of the first places they turn to is Upwork. After all, Upwork has had massive growth since its merger in 2013. Right, because it's a great platform that connects freelancers with businesses from all around the world. However, as in every company, there are rules to follow. So before signing up as a client to hire freelancers, there are some charges and fees that you should know of beforehand. And in this video, we are going to be looking at all of these charges to help you understand why and what you'll be charged to hire on the platform. Martin's here. First and foremost, it is very important to understand that Upwork is a business and the service fee is how Upwork earns money. So it is not entirely possible to avoid these service fees altogether. While most of these fees are charged to the freelancers, there are some fees that clients get to pay to hire on the platform. One of these fees clients get to pay is the processing fee. As an Upwork client, hiring freelancers can be a seamless and very convenient process. Whether you choose to pay through traditional hourly payments or even fixed price projects, it is very important to understand the client marketplace fee associated with hiring on the platform. These fees are not avoidable, not at all. So that means you have to pay for them as long as you intend hiring on the platform. And these fees apply to all payments, including bonuses. You may ask, why is Upwork taking part of my bonus? Well, it is what it is. These fees also apply to project catalog payments, BYO or bring your own talent, expense payouts, and payroll on Upwork Marketplace. The good news is that there are a few ways that you can reduce them in order to optimize costs while hiring on the platform, and that is what we'll be looking at next. On Upwork, when you hire a freelancer, the platform charges you a 5% processing fee for any payment you make. The 5% fee is non-negotiable, so that means all clients pay this charge. While it may seem like an additional cost, it is important to understand that this is how Upwork makes money in order to keep the platform running and to make sure that freelancers and also clients enjoy a seamless process. Now let's talk about how you can reduce these fees. If you are a client from the US, Upwork offers you a way to reduce this payment processing fee. By paying through ACH or automated clearinghouse, Upwork will reduce the fee from 5% to 3%. Now it may not seem like much, but if you are a client that hires very often on the platform, calculate it 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%. The 2% deduction adds up and you see that you are saving quite a lot of money. Imagine you process 5 payments per week as a client on the platform. Now, based on the 5% processing fee, you're supposed to be charged $25, $5 for each payment. However, if you use ACH, these payments will be reduced to just $15. This provides a significant advantage for cost optimization. While the 5% processing fee applies to most Upwork transactions, there are certain exceptions and we'll be looking at them in this video. The number one exception to this rule are future job posts. Now on Upwork, as a client looking to hire professional freelancers and talented freelancers, you have a chance to pay to actually get your job post to be seen by more talented individuals. Now that type of job is the featured job posting. More freelancers see it and more talent see it. And the fee to update your job listing as a featured job post is $29.99. Now if you are paying for a featured job post, the 5% processing fee does not apply to this type of job post. So that means that you will not pay an additional $5 on top of the $29.99 you pay to feature your job. The second type of job that this 5% processing fee does not apply to is the enterprise service subscription. Clients with enterprise level subscriptions may have a different payment structure depending on their agreement with Upwork. The third exception to this rule is direct contracts. Now, I already explained what direct contract means or what direct contract is in my last video about the freelancer fee structure on Upwork. You can watch the video here if you haven't watched it. Now, sometimes clients may decide to hire outside of Upwork. The Upwork direct contract is Upwork's way of managing payments for you, so you get paid even if your client is not on the platform. This type of job posting does not incur the standard 5% processing fee. The second charge Upwork takes from clients while hiring on the platform is the contract initiation fee. As a client looking to hire on the platform, it is important for you to know that you actually pay to actually initiate a contract on the platform, and this charge is $4.95. It applies to all types of contract initiation, both marketplace contracts and also the project catalog contracts, so you cannot skip it. It is a very important part of Upwork payments process. This fee is paid only once, and it is charged when you make a first payment to a freelancer or an agency for their service. It doesn't matter what type of contract payment you are using, whether it's hourly or fixed price payment, you actually pay a contract initiation fee to begin a contract on Upwork. It is important to know that if the contract is cancelled and no fee is released to the freelancer, the contract initiation fee is refunded back to you. However, once payment has been made to a freelancer or an agency, this contract initiation fee is non-refundable. It has gone. You can't get it back. Even if the freelancer or the agency approves the refund. We need to also understand that if you are continuously working on an old contract and adding milestones, you will not be charged the contract initiation fee. The fee is a one-time charge per contract, and it is not applicable for milestones in the same contract. So that means that you don't need to pay for every milestone you add. For contract involving multiple freelancers, which means contract that has multiple or many freelancers working on it, each contract with each freelancer will incur its own initiation fee, even if all the freelancers work for the same agency. So it doesn't matter if you had an agency to work on different types of projects. On each contract, you get to pay the contract initiation fee per freelancer, from the 5% processing fee for each payment to the one-time contract initiation fee and the option to feature job posts for enhanced visibility. Each fee serves the purpose in maintaining a robust and thriving marketplace. By understanding these fees, you can make informed decisions, budget effectively, and optimize cost efficiency for your project. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please drop it down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.